We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time, and the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or have been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.